If you are a leader, a manager, or an agile practitioner working tirelessly to build high-performing teams, but something still feels off, your processes are inconsistent, collaboration is fragmented, and the results are not where you need them to be, then this message is for you. Hey, I am Dr. Koti, faculty at Icagile at Garranto. I have worked across industries and witnessed firsthand how mastering agile practices drives real business success. Here is the truth. Your team is not reaching its full potential because you are not fully aligned with the core principles of agile. But Agile shifts the game. It is about transforming how your teams collaborate, innovate, and deliver real value through actionable frameworks and skills that work in the real world. When the world top companies trust Agile, you know it is not just another certification. It can be a defining milestone in your career. At Agile, we don't just give theory. We give you the tools to apply various agile ways of working that actually produce tangible results. Our Agile course dives deep into the agile values, principles, and practices that drives successful transformations. You will learn how to lead your teams, ignite innovation, and create long-term and sustainable success. Here is what sets Agile apart: certified expertise. Our certifications are recognized globally, ensuring your credentials are respected and valued in any industry. Hands-on learning with interactive workshops, real-world case studies, and collaborative learning, you will gain the experience needed to drive a lasting change. Ongoing support. Once the course is over, we will not leave you to fend for yourself. We are here to help you to implement what you have learned and scale your agile transformation for the long run. The best agile teams don't guess, they continuously inspect and adapt. The best agile leaders don't assume, they empower and coach. Join the Agile course today and explore more on our website.